What's up guys, my name is Alishan Ali. In this video I'm going to talk about this error. So whenever I just created one fresh React Native project, when I just run npm start and after that press the 8, so I was getting this error, could not move temporary workspace. Alright, so how we can figure it out this error? We have to copy this error message. After that you have to search on the browser. Okay, once you search you will find this article. After that you have to see that they are mentioning that you have to update the gradle-wrapper.properties. So you have to open the gradle-wrapper.properties and they are telling that you have to make 8.5, but this solution doesn't work for me. Okay, so what we can try next thing, the next thing which I had tried that guys, what you have to do, first of all you have to copy this command npx react native run android. Okay, and after that you have to just paste it here. Okay, npx react native run dash android. Okay, so what it's gonna do, it will install the app. Okay, and this solution 100% works for me. And after that if you try with the next time, in the next time you can try npm start reset cache, so it will work. So I can show you guys, the npx react native run android command is running and it will create a one react native project here. So let's wait for a few seconds and let's see does this solution works or not. Now as you can see that this solution works for me. So whatever you have to do, if you had just created one fresh react native project, so for the first time you have to use this command npx react native run android, and in the next time if I run this project, so you can use npm start. If it doesn't work, then you can use npm reset, npm start reset cache. Alright, and I hope this solution does works for you guys. Let me know this works or not. But I had tried this solution, this updating, downgrading the Gradle version, but that works initially, but nowadays this doesn't work. So you guys can try it out. Alright, thanks guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye bye.